Have you ever heard of blank screen syndrome? You know, when you're sitting in front of a screen hoping to draft up some fantastic email and it just doesn't happen? Let's get your next email drafted in 10 seconds thanks to ChatGPT. For many of us grown-ups who are 45 and over, writing can feel slower than the rest of our jobs. A tiny nudge from AI can not only save hours, but can save us a heck of a lot of stress. So let me show you how we can make this a lot easier. So open ChatGPT or Outlook's Copilot. Type in, draft a friendly yet professional follow-up to a client about overdue paperwork. Keep it under 120 words. Boom, instant draft appears. So copy and paste that into your email program, but hey, don't hit send just yet, okay? Let's talk about the pros of this. Pro number one will be speed. You can draft a draft in seconds. Beat sitting there for even 30 minutes, 45 minutes trying to figure out what to say or trying to find the correct wording that you're looking for to get your message out accurately. Second will actually be tone control. You can ask for warm but firm or brief and factual. So this is where I think AI actually helps you a lot. Is you can find tone control and it'll give you those suggestions, and then of course you make the ultimate decision. The last pro of this is brain spark. It breaks writer's block. Like I had said earlier, blank screen syndrome, this is writer's block. So this helps break writer's block. But I also want to talk about the cons of this. One of the cons of this is privacy. So anything you paste or onto your AI chat, it may be stored within AI. Make sure to skip the sensitive data, but also con number two is bland voice. So AI tends to love that corporate cliche dialogue. Add your personality to that, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But lastly, the other thing too is accuracy of AI. You always have to double check names, dates, and attachments to make sure that everything is accurate, because you don't want to send that off to a client or to a friend or to a family member and it just makes no sense. So here's a pro tip. Tell ChatGPT to rewrite in my style. Use shorter sentences, sign off with talk soon. So the more context you give, the better that the email will be. So try drafting an email tonight. Tweak it and comment below on how much time it saved you and if it made your process any easier or better, or made your life better, saved you some stress. We'd love to hear from you. Next Tuesday, we will be talking about fixing blurry family photos with free AI upscalers. Don't miss it.